Here we go, another Celebrate Truth video. I'm Robbie Davidson. This is getting absolutely crazy. What will they say next? Scientists discover, and everyone believes it. This article, like I said, it came up and I had to do a quick video on it because it is just absolutely crazy what they're saying. And this is from Australia. You probably had a gut feeling during your life, but did you know your gut is actually thinking too? According to scientists in Australia, the human body has a second brain. That's right. You've got two brains, they say, but you gotta guess how they get this from. It's in the rear end, and it might be smarter than we think. A study published in the Journal of J. Neurosi says that the gastrointestinal tract contains millions of neurons, which independently control muscle movement in the colon. These findings identify a previously unknown pattern of neuronal activity in the peripheral nervous system. Professor Nick Spencer from Flinders University in Australia said in a press release. Until this new study, no one had any idea exactly how large populations of neurons in the ENS lead to contraction of the intestine, he said via Science Alert. Researchers discovered that the neurons in the digestive system fire in synchronized blasts, which propel waste out of the body. This is the same way neurons in the brain fire as they send signals throughout the body. Let's find out how they found out this great information that humans have a second brain in the butt. Spencer and his team believe the same results. Wait a minute, what? Will be found in other mammals, including humans, even though the Australian study was conducted with mice. So here you go, you have a headline, and this is Denver CBS. It was picked up by obviously Science Alert and all these other science journals saying that now the scientists have discovered that we have a second brain, and our second brain is located in our butt. But yet they've only done the experiment with mice. But again, this gets into the evolutionary narrative when it comes to mammals, identifying humans as just another mammal, another animal. Humans are not animals, okay? This whole nonsense that we're just another form of animal. This is what's leading to such the deception that we're seeing when it comes to the universe, when it comes to evolution, when it comes to so many branches of scientism. They constantly refer to these paradigms that they've set up for all of us to believe, but we are not animals. But let's continue on because again, they found a second brain in mice's butts. Therefore, we must have a second brain. But the article doesn't say we might have a second brain. It says we do. We can use this blueprint, it says, we can use this as a blueprint to understand how dysfunctional neurogenic motor patterns may arise along the colon, Spencer said. The professor noted that the brain in your rear is technically your first brain, all right? It's your first brain, because scientists believe it actually evolved before the brain and nervous system in mammals. So that's right. You've got an article here talking about they've discovered now, what's the article say? Look at it, read it yourself. Your body has a second brain in your butt. And how do they get this? Oh, because we found this in mice and because of evolution and, you know, your butt brain was formed before your brain in your head. And that's exactly how evolution works. Butts were created before the rest. So there you have it. Now, when you believe in evolution, you are believing seriously in people talking out their butt. This is crazy. Scientists discover a second brain in your butt. And you're going to get everyone all aligned with the narrative. Yeah, that's right. You know, because of evolution, you know, that will be the next textbooks in school. It'll be like butts were formed before heads. It was the butt that was created. No. Go back. It's just like the Bible says. I'm going to be doing a video on this really soon because there was a whole bunch of scientific data that was actually conducted that actually supports now what they're finding is actually that all life created at the same time. That's right. And they've seen that all these complex organisms and all the different structures were all put together instantly in a split second. Therefore, it destroys the evolution narrative. But again, all this propaganda with brains in your butts and that butts were created before the rest of you because of evolution, man, when is it ever going to end? Keep searching for the truth. Let's keep exposing the lies. This is Celebrate Truth, and I'll be back with another video real soon. Take care. Blessings.